Hi dear Gemini, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for all the Gemini Sun, Moon, Venus rising. So this is a reading from 11th of August till 21st of August, and keep this in mind that this is general love reading. It might or might not resonate with you, and the roles can be reversed anytime, Gemini. Okay, so let's start. So this time I felt like I should show the cards to you guys. So I'm just experimenting this. Might be you people like it very much, or might be you will not like it any at all. Please let me know in the comment sections, okay? So let's see. Your partner's current energy right now is Gemini. Your partner's current energy right now is, let's see. Why am I not able to shuffle today? But I will do it. Yeah. Gemini. Okay. Juggling. Two of Pentacles. This is your partner's current energy right now. Juggling constantly, and dancing constantly. They are not able to decide anything. They are not able to decide just anything, right? They are just waiting and hoping that everything is going to be fine by itself. But it's not the case here, right? They have to take some kind of decision if they want stability and if they want peace of mind. They are constantly conflicted, dual-minded, not able to decide, juggling, dancing. Let's see why they are doing like this. Let's clarify the Two of Pentacles in their current energy for you guys. Let's clarify the Two of Pentacles in their current energy. What? Okay, cool. King of Pentacles, the Queen of Pentacles, Magician. Okay. So what I'm feeling here, Gemini, is that this person is healing. Like, this person was very rude in the past. This is the King of Pentacles. This is male energy. Very rude, mature, practical, down to earth. Everything was there, but yes, they were adamant. Some kind of adamant and some kind of, stubbornness was there in their energy. Now from King of Pentacles, they are coming to Queen of Pentacles, softening. They are having a soft heart now. They are ready to, listen to the universe, listen to the things of the hearts. And they are finally coming from a masculine energy to a feminine energy of love, stability, and you can say right now this person is healing from something. There's lots of pentacles here. Pentacle. They're manifesting that they're manifesting that universe, please help me to decide for myself what I really want in my life. They are just highly disturbed right now, highly conflicted right now, not able to decide what they want exactly. So they were adamant. Might be they were, sticking to a decision. Might be they were saying that this is the thing that I want in my life. I'm not going to change my mind at all. But now from this energy, they are lowering down to energy of feminine energy and beautiful energy, kind-hearted energy. They are manifesting, and they are manifesting that they are manifesting that universe, please guide them. What to do. This is what they are manifesting. You could be doing, there is strong presence of Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn here. Okay, strong presence of these three signs are the energy. Let's see what's your current energy, Gemini. Your current energy right now is Gemini. Your current energy right now is, okay, Three of Swords. You're completely heartbroken, sad, depressed, coming out of a phase of depression, sadness, and not able to decide what your heart wants. Just healing from this sadness, just healing from this Three of Swords energy. And I feel like this thing is going on from past 3 months, sorry. So this is the Three of Swords energy that you are experiencing right now. You are just right now healing from some kind of heartbreak, or just trying to heal from this situation. Let's clarify, why are you so heartbroken and why are you feeling so sad and depressed? What is actually happening with you? Let's clarify. Please ignore the disturbance behind me because I don't have any option to make the videos but just this room today, and then I have to travel a lot, so please bear with me. Yeah, let's clarify. Oh my God, Gemini, you're deeply feeling some kind of loss. You're still so much in the past. In your head, and you could be dealing with a Capricorn here. See, I told you there's hell lot of earthy energy present here. You're trying your best to come to a peaceful resolution, to move towards a peaceful and calmer phase of your life. You're just trying it, you're just trying it, but still carrying lots of baggages of the past with you, lots of baggages. Can you see the swords here? You're still carrying lots of baggages of the past here, so you're deeply sad, deeply depressed, and because of this person whosoever left you, or whosoever was constantly juggling between you or somebody else, they made you really sad. This made you really sad, that broke your heart, and you're trying to come out of this toxic relationship or toxicity or negativity. You are trying your best to come out of the situation, but still you are carrying lots of baggages of the past. There is hell lot of baggages of the past in your energy. Let's see what this person feels for you, Gemini. Let's see what this person feels for you, their feelings for you. Let's see. Six of Pentacles. Okay, so from Two of Pentacles, can you see this juggling thing? From Two of Pentacles, this person is coming to Six of Pentacles. So I feel like this person feels like they should put in equal effort and put in equal energy from their side as you did. I feel like you did your best in this connection. You were deeply connected to this person, and this person broke your heart. Now they're ready to put in the effort, put in the energy from their side as well, like you did in the past. Now they feel like they should put in the effort and put in the energy and give to this relationship equal give and take of energy from your side and their side. This is what they are feeling right now. They are feeling like there should be equal give and take of energy in this connection. Again, let's clarify. One card was literally coming out like this. Yeah, Judgment, Four of Swords, and the Page of Pentacles. So I feel like this person is judging this connection all over again. See, Judgment card is here. So I feel like this person is feeling like they should give birth to this connection again, rebirth of this connection. See, these are the dead people. They are literally coming out of the graves, and angels are blessing them. So it is like they literally feel like they should give second chance to this connection and rebirth of this connection, they feel like. But they are just silent right now. They are just silent right now. They are just waiting for some kind of message, might be from your side. They are just waiting for the communication from their side. They are silent right now. They are silent as a dark night right now, and they are just trying to manifest. It is like manifestation energy as well. For me, Four of Swords is manifestation energy as well. Praying in silence, hoping for return of someone. They are hoping for your return. They are just right now waiting for your message, waiting for your communication, waiting for your text. This is what they are feeling right now. Forgiveness. They feel like you should forgive them and start this connection all over again with them. Might be not just starting the connection, they are just hoping for a communication from your side. They are feeling like there should be communication between you guys, and they will tell you their story, you will tell them your story. Equal give and take of energy. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you, Gemini. Let's see what this person wants from you. Justice. You could be dealing with a Libra here. Gemini, this person wants you to do justice with this connection, justice with your emotions. Whatever you are feeling, they want you to do justice with this connection, with this emotional bondage that you guys are having, this emotional bond that you guys are having. Okay, this person is feeling like there should be justice in this connection. They want justice from you. They want emotional balance. They want balance in this connection. Okay, this is equal balance. And I feel like they want balance. This is the card of balance as well. This is the card of restarting the connection all over again as well. Okay, let's clarify the justice. Let's clarify. If you are listening to any kind of music in the back, please ignore that because I can't help it. Okay, so they want, what this person wants from you is they want love from you. They want to do justice with this connection. They want you to be emotionally stable, to feel the love, to relieve the love, to feel what you guys are missing. And just I feel like you just turn your back towards them, and they feel like they're just waiting. They just want you to wait for them, wait for the right time. This is the Seven of Pentacles. These both are waiting cards, but this is good card of waiting. This is positive card of waiting. So they feel like you should just wait for the right time, and everything will settle down. Everything will fall into place, and give justice to this connection, give time to this connection. This waiting game will help them. This waiting will help you to realize that what you truly feel for them. Just wait for the right time, just wait for them to arrive to you, and just connect with your own emotions. This is the justice that they want from you to do with yourself. With this connection, this is what they want from you. Okay, this is what is happening with here, Gemini. So basically they feel like that you love them, you still have lots of emotions for them, and they want you to connect with your own emotions and just wait for the right time for them to arrive or connect with them. Might be they are feeling like this is not the right time for reconnecting. Okay, that's why they just want you to wait for the right time, and the results will be in front of you soon. This is what they want from you. Let's see what is coming towards you till the 21st of August. Moon, silence. Gemini, I feel like there will be total silence. This is the moon energy, this is Pisces energy, could be dealing with the Pisces here. This is complete silence. I feel like this person is very, very fearful approaching you or reaching you. And I feel like this person right now is fearful because they are feeling like this is not the right time to connect with you, Gemini, because you are still heartbroken, you are still healing from something. That's why this person is feeling like right now this is not the right time to connect with you. Let's clarify the moon as the potential outcome for you guys, Gemini. Let's see. Let's clarify. You see, Four of Pentacles holding back, justice again. See, justice and justice, and Nine of Wands. So this person is holding back right now. They just want to do justice with their own feelings. They do want to justice. They do want to do justice with this connection. They want to come in. They want to come for you very, very passionately. Okay, they do want to come for you, but there is, silence, complete silence. They are holding back. They are trying to do justice with their own feelings. Might be they are feeling might be they are just judging themselves whether they love you or whether they just love you physically. So might be this is the situation where they feel like I should right now, this is not the right time. I should do justice with my own feelings. I should feel what I feel, then only I will approach this person, then only I will go towards them. This is why I feel like this person is right now in silence mode, and they will be in the silent mode till the 21st of August. I don't feel like they're coming towards you and saying anything to you. Again, this person wants to do justice with themselves as well, with this emotional bond as well, with you as well. That's why they are right now scared of reaching you. Yeah, this is what is happening with you guys, Gemini. So thank you so much for tuning in, Gemini. I'll see you soon in the next video, and I thank you so much from bottom of my heart. And I feel like this video will give you the insight that you are seeking for from this. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Namaste. See you soon. Bye bye.